Hello guys, my name is Engineer Alide. I'll be solving questions on sequence and series. And I believe as you watch, God bless you. Now let's see. It says this sum of n given to us. It says the sum of n 10 is equal to n squared plus n plus 1. It says find the sum of n plus 1 10. Now first of all, let's find what? Sn plus 1 because sum of n plus 1 10 is equal to what? Sum of n plus 1 minus sum of n 10. So the n plus 1 10 equals to sum of n plus 1 10 or sum of the first n plus 1 10 minus sum of n 10. So we're going to have it as what? Anywhere we see n, put n plus 1 there. That is it. Inside this F. So we're going to have n plus 1, sum of n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 all square plus n plus 1 plus 1. This one will give us, apply expansion, we are going to have n squared plus n times 1 times 3 is what? 2n plus 1 plus n plus 1 plus 1. So that will give us what? N squared plus 3n, this plus this plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 equal to sum of n plus 1. Now we are looking for n plus 1. It not be what? N squared plus 3n plus 3, sum of n plus 1 minus sum of n 10. N squared plus n plus 1. So what do we have? We would have n squared plus 3n plus 3 minus n squared minus n minus what? 1. So let's solve. This one will cancel this one. 3n minus n gives us 2n plus 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So this one is the answer for that question. We move to this number 1 solution. Let's go to number 2. It says what? If what? Number 2, if sum of n 10 equals to what? 1 over 4 n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Now it says find the first 5 term and un. First of all, we cannot find the sum of first 5 term. Let's find the what? N term first. And that means for us to find n term, we need Sn minus 1. So let us place in the place of what? That means we're looking for un, which can be solved by what? Sn minus 1. So that means we're going to have it as what? Sn minus 1 can be solved by what? Putting in place of what? In place of n, replace it by n minus 1. So what I would have is minus 4, Sn minus 1 equal to n minus 1 over 4, n minus 1 plus 1, 2 into n minus 1 plus 1. So what do we have? We're going to have it as what? N minus 1 over 4. This will cancel this is n. I will have it as n, then 2n minus 2 plus 1. So what do we have? Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. So that will give us n minus 1 for the n into what? Over 4. 2n minus 1. So we open the bracket. What do we have? This one will give us n squared minus n into 2n minus 1 all over 4. So what do we have now? This one, multiply this one, we are going to have it as Sn minus 1. So this one gives us what? 2n cubed minus n minus 2n squared. Sorry, this times this will give us what? 2n cubed minus n squared minus 2n squared plus n. So that will give us what? 2 divided by 4 over 1 over 4. So what do we have now? We have 2n cubed minus 3n cubed squared plus n into bracket what? 1 over 4. So now let's break this one down so that we can have our, let's break it down. Let's break Sn down first. Sn, which is 1 over 4 n into bracket what? N plus 1 and 2n plus 1 give us what? So give us n squared plus what? N 2n plus 1. So let's break it down. That will give us what? This time it give us what? N cubed 2n cubed. This time this will give us what? Plus n squared plus what? 2n squared plus n all power 1 over 4 is Sn. Now let us subtract un now will not be what? Sn minus 1. So I would have 1 over 4 2n cubed plus n squared plus 2n squared plus 10 minus what? 1 over 4 into bracket what? 2n cubed minus 3n squared plus minus, is it minus or plus? Plus n. Now we now what? Expand it. And that will give us what? To give us, let me write this question somewhere. So this one will give us what? 1 over 2 n cubed. This time we got 1 over 4 n squared plus 1 over 2 n squared. Okay, this one's supposed to be n squared plus 2n squared. It should be 3n squared. So let me put it. So this one now 3 over 4 exactly plus what? N over 4 minus what? This one give us what? 1 over 2 n cubed plus 3n squared over 4 minus what? N over 4. Now let's cancel. This one will cancel this one. This one is minus plus. Okay. This and this we can add it together. So that will give us what? Un now because what? What is meaning here? This and this to be added together. We will have 3n squared over 4 plus 3n squared over 4. What again? This and this can cancel out. Yes, they can cancel out. So that will give us what? N over 4 and n over 4 will go. Then 1 over 2 n cubed minus 1 over 2 n cubed will go. So what we are left with is what? This and this. So that will give us what? 4 will give us what? 3n squared plus 3n squared. And that will give us what? 6n squared over 4, which is what? 3 over 2n squared. That's our un. Let's check again. N minus 1 and 2. 2n minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 is the length. N squared. Then this 2n cubed minus n. 2 minus n squared minus 2n plus n. Correct. So drop this one down. drop this one down, drop this one down. Correct? So this one is correct now. So we need to solve that correctly. Then we'll use our formula, break this one also down. N squared plus n, then 2n cubed, n squared, 2n squared, n. Excellent. Very correct. Perfectly correct. So whenever un and subtract, excellent. We are in place. So what I want to do now to finalize our answer. What I want to do. Let us use u1 will now be equal to what? 3 over 2, 1 square. u2, 3 over 2, 2 square. u3, 3 over 2, 3 square. u4 will now be what? u4 will be what? 3 over 2, 4 square. u5 will now be what? 3 over 2, 5 square. Let's see. So I'll give me what? 3 over 2. So I'll give me 1, 4, then 12 over 2. So I'll give me what? 9, 27 over 2. This one will give me what? 16 times 3, 48 over 2. 16 times 3 is 48 over 2. Then 25 will be 75 over 2. And 25 times 3, then 75 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the first 5 times. 3 over 2, 12 over 2, 27 over 2, 48 over 2, and 75 over 2. So let's solve the last one. So we are looking for the un. This is un. And this is what? The first 5 10. The first 5 10 we have solved. Now let's solve the last one, which is what? He said evaluate if what? un, because log to be 10 power of n. Evaluate what? Log to be what? Evaluate 4, starting from 4 to 10 of what? Log to be 10 power of n. So what I want to do now, I want to evaluate that the sum of what? Log to be 10 power of n from 4 to 10. So from 4 to 10, I have to clean this part. So what I want to do now is simply what? Simple. What I want to do now is just what? Log to what? Base 10. You start with 4. Start with 4. Then 4 plus log to base 10, 5, plus log to base 10, 6, plus log to base 10, 7, plus log to base 10, 8, plus log to base 10, 9, plus log to base 10, 10. So what I will advise you to do is just to multiply 5 times 2, 4 times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9, times 10. You understand? And that's what we are going to just simply go to do so that you can have your answer times 10. So you now have your answer as what? 4 times 5 is 20 times 6 is what? 120. Then 120 times 7 is equals to what? 840. 840 times 8 give us what? 6, 7 what? Times 9 will give us what? 0, 18, 63, plus 1, 64, carry 6, 54, and 60. Then that was 6, 4, 0, 4, 8, 0, 0. And that's what we're going to have as our final answer. So please ensure you subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.